Tired of the cold? Looking forward to a heavenly vacation that will leave you with warm, lasting memories. Hawaii, Mexico, Jamaica? Why choose Jamaica? Because it's most affordable. Because Jamaica is a treat for any foodie. Jamaica also takes you to the magic of the beautiful rainforest. The Blue Mountains can turn into the best adventure a tourist destination has to offer. And let's not forget that Jamaica is the most romantic escape for every couple looking to find a peaceful place to enjoy their privacy. Let's get to the point. What is our goal? We want to turn Jamaica into one of the best tourism destinations as measured by the international marketplace. We want to create an amazing vacation experience. But what is our target audience? Who would be interested and why? Young working adults looking for entertainment and adventure would discover the true Jamaican spirit in beautiful reggae rhythm, dance and unique local cuisine. People looking for a wedding or honeymoon destination will find out that Jamaica is the most romantic place on earth. And families looking to explore the beautiful landscapes and warm climate in December will have the chance to experience horse riding on the beach. They can explore the Blue Mountains and enjoy the peace of true green paradise. What is our challenge to achieve our goal? Even though the weather is so appealing, Jamaica lies in the hurricane belt of Atlantic Ocean, and because of that, the island sometimes suffers from significant storm damage, which is the reason why after a season of heavy hurricanes, tourists are choosing other locations to spend their winter holidays. What do we do? How do we overcome our challenge and expose Jamaica as an appealing destination for our audience? We need to intensively work in partnerships with the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association. We need to contract different media channels and request the issue of press releases and advertisement. We also have to strengthen the social media presence by constantly engaging our audience in interactive communication. Let's get the details. Everyone likes free. To be appealing, we can contact Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association and offer 6 vacation packages per week for Montego Bay for 4 weeks in a row in the month of October. We can create and distribute an informative media kit on popular topics such as cuisine, sports, music, and art. The total cost of this media kit would be $17,000. We can contact popular TV channels and make arrangements for advertisement, which would be our biggest investment. For this campaign, the board will spend $1,247,000. Finally, we can create a blog where people can ask questions and share their experiences. We can constantly release pictures of beautiful Jamaica on Instagram to grab our audience attention. And we can engage people on Facebook by interactive games such as asking questions about favorite Jamaican food, for example. This online media creation and support for our campaign would cost approximately $10,000. Altogether, the Tourist Board of Jamaica will spend $1,274,000. This, of course, is a big investment. But why do we need to do that? Because history proves it's a good decision. Since Jamaica is a month of declined economy in the country, a strong campaign to increase tourist traffic in Jamaica needs to be put into place, so businesses as well as the local population will not suffer another hard winter season this year. With regards to Jamaica, numbers speak. During the winter season, tourist arrivals in 2013 were 9.3% higher than those in 2012 and 5.7% more than those in 2011. This is an indicator that since we started the advertising campaign in 2012, called Once You Go, You Know, tourist arrivals to the island in the month of December have significantly increased compared to previous years when this campaign was not put into action. What are the consequences of discontinuing the campaign or taking shortcuts? By not investing the proper amount or by taking shortcuts because of cost, in fact, will save the Tourist Board of Jamaica a significant expense. Money can be used into developing new projects and amenities. If the board decides to do so, the new facilities and services the island has to offer will not be fully utilized, and most likely the amenities Jamaica already has will remain empty during the winter season due to the lack of attempt to attract visitors. This will significantly reflect the economy like it previously has before the campaign was active. In regards to Once You Go, You Know campaign, we need to not just maintain it, but also extend it due to the situation that recently occurred in downtown Montego Bay. We should not neglect the fact that an American gay couple was recently attacked and publicly humiliated for its sexual orientation. Since the police officers that were present at the scene of action did not take any measures to protect the tourist visitors, the couple now took on a vast internet anti-marketing campaign which we have to fight and hopefully convince people that regardless what happened, travel to Jamaica for purposes of religion, health, education and cultural or linguistic exchanges are particularly beneficial forms of tourism. How do we present this situation to our audience is extremely important and can be a decisive factor for the success of our current and future Once You Go, You Know campaign, as well as for the economic future of Jamaica. A plan should be developed to counteract the gay couple campaign without rejecting the choice of sexual orientation. In regards to that, let's look at the truth. Fact is that sexual acts between men are prohibited by the law of Jamaica and are punishable by up to 10 years in prison and hard labor. Police in Jamaica often did not investigate incidents associated with homosexual individuals. During the year of 2012, J-Flag received 68 reports of sexual motivated harassment or abuse, which included 53 cases of actual assault, including at least 2 killings and 15 reports of displacements. The Tourist Board of Jamaica could not practically change the situation. What is a reasonable course of action? The board should create a warning guide about the discrimination of homosexual couples visiting Jamaica. Everyone entering the country should be able to demonstrate their knowledge about the major cultural differences when visiting Jamaica. Everyone should be familiar with the lawful consequences of visual signs of homosexuality in the country. To support and explain the need of such tourist guide, we can use the Code of Ethics, which the Tourist Board of Jamaica has put into place 22 years ago. The code states, tourists have the responsibility to familiarize themselves before their departure with the characteristics of Jamaica, and tourists should observe the social and cultural traditions and practices of all people in the country. Taking action with Once You Go, You Know campaign and allowing tourists access to the specifics of the Jamaican population will create a share value for everyone, people living on the island, all shareholders and all tourists visiting the country. The campaign should take place in October of 2014 and continue its run until the beginning of December. To strengthen the Once You Go, You Know marketing campaign, a guerrilla marketing tactic should be used as demonstrated in the picture. Having the two different size benches placed close to each other in visible places close to major airports will create the interest in our audience. A poster above the oversized bench will have a writing, "Your stress level before you visit Jamaica," and the poster above the normal size bench will say, "Your stress level after visiting Jamaica." Guerrilla marketing will be appropriate to support our campaign since it is extremely cost effective and it would create a memorable experience for the potential tourists.